Hey guys. Hey guys. Happy Wednesday. Y'all, it's March the 1st. Can you believe it? Are you guys being good to yourself? Are you guys being good to others? Are you loving yourself so you be able to love others? I made my own lip gloss, y'all. Look at that. Made my own. Remember I bought these? I had them for a very long time. And I finally decided, make your own. But guys, we are here at the Ross. And she's going to go pick up something. I know y'all waiting on what y'all want to see. But it's going to all make sense when I get everything together. So we're going to get this item from Ross that I seen the other day. I actually think it was Sunday. It's really windy right now. But we're going to go ahead and get this item out of Ross because they hold it for me. And yeah, we'll take it from there. So y'all hold it on. Now they told me to go to the, instructed to go to the fitting room to go find the object. Y'all, oh, very simple, very plain. Oh, they got more furniture, y'all. Look at this. Ooh, they got some good. Oh, these are nice. They finally got new stuff because this stuff wasn't in here when I came looking for stuff. This is nice. How much is this? $59. That is not bad, y'all, for this. Look at that. All right, let me go ahead and find my. Let me go ahead and get to my item. I also wanted to look at some luggage bags, y'all, because yeah. Oh, this one is marked at 48, but I don't like this color. It's nice though. This is really nice, y'all, for $48. I'm gonna have to come back up here and look for some more luggages. How much is this one? 64. I actually like that one right here. I don't know how I'm not gonna take it down, but
How much is that?
oh. All right, guys, we're back. So I hope you all enjoyed the little wall display. The only thing I might do in there, I do like that, but the only thing, however, the pictures I think might be throwing it off that gold one. So I don't know if I might make it black or keep it gold. Y'all let me know in the comments below. Y'all know what to do in the comments below. Let me know, keep it gold or spray paint it black. Because to me, it's throwing it off. Anyways, you guys are gonna get the whole furniture, well, not furniture, but the new couch in the end of this video. So this is actually, today is actually Thursday, March the 2nd. Okay, it's March the 2nd. It's March 2nd, y'all. It's Thursday. I wanted to see how far I can go. But anyway, guys, I wanted to do real quick my February empties for you guys. So if you have any comments or questions about the things I'm going to show you that are empty, then let me know in the comment below, okay? So, I mean, the comment section below. So the first thing for my empties, guys, is the vitamin C crystals. You guys remember I purchased this last year from a grocery store called Fresh Time. And they had their vitamin products were on sale. And I think I paid for this product here, maybe could have been around $7 or something. The heat is coming on, y'all, so we're gonna make this quick. The other thing that, will I buy this again? I probably will not buy this again. So, no. Let me turn the heat off. Hold on, y'all. Wait 1 second. Okay. Sorry about that. So, will I buy that? Will I buy this again? I probably will not. It all depends. I would just say it all depends. So this is what it is. And it was really simple. You just put it in your food. You can put it in your smoothies. You can drink it with water, orange juice, whatever. So it was a powdered vitamin C. So the next item is this Hollywood Beauty jojoba oil, which I was able to put in my hair. I picked this up from one of the bin places. Would I probably buy this again? No, because I was ready for this to be empty. Because what I'm learning is I don't have to have all those things, different type of products and stuff. I'll just stick to one thing, which I love, is the coconut oil by Vita. It's real good for your skin and it's real good for your hair. So I'm just going to use that. So I will not be purchasing any more of the jojoba oil. You guys know I picked up this perfume, I Am Naked, right here, from a Goodwill when I traveled last year to, was it Virginia? I think it was Virginia. And we went to a local Goodwill, and this item was from TJ Maxx, and it was normally $3.99. I got it for 99 cents. So it does smell really, really good, and it was a roll-on. And I did say before I would keep the glass bottle, but I'm not going to keep it. It is really simple to like take the top roller off and put some in there, and then you can have a glass bottle that's all natural. But the only thing, the plastic top is not natural. So I will not be repurchasing this or anything like that. Last but not least, guys, is my last dozier. This is the Woody Chestnut. And I forgot, if you are a dozier person, let me know in the comments what it was what was it actually compared to. If I'm not mistaken, I think it was either YSL, Dipsy, or it was Chanel Chance. But this is the Woody Chestnut. It is empty, and I am done with all of my items for the end of the month. And that was my February empties. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a comment below, and we'll talk about it. Let's get into the other part of the video. Oh, sorry. I got one more thing. So you guys know I was having lint on my bed and stuff like that in previous videos. I found this little machine thing here. And I don't know the name of it. It just says clean. It is an actual lint brush roller. And I will show you guys, that's what it looks like. And I only paid like $1 for this. It's really unique. You turn it this way, it push this button here. It gets all the lint and stuff, and you can empty it, close it back up, turn it back that way, and you can start cleaning again. So this is an item that's new. And once I do a bedroom tour, not bedroom tour, but an actual closet tour, I will throw in how this works. So that's it for my empties, y'all, and my newbies, okay? Hi guys, welcome back to another video, okay? So today is the day, guys. Today is March the 3rd, Friday, and I'm just gonna go ahead, without further ado, show you my sofa today. Now, I will insert clips of the pricing of the sofa, where it is today on sale, and I also will be throwing in like bits and pieces as I go through the video. So guys, I hope you all are having an amazing, 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 amazing Friday. It is very rainy here. I don't know if you guys can hear. You can hear the drips. It's raining and very windy. So without further ado, are y'all ready? We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get into today's video, okay? All right, y'all. I'm giving y'all what y'all been waiting for. All right, let's get started. All right, guys, without further ado, here is my lovely, 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 lovely piece of furniture that I scored. Like I said, I would throw in clips of how much it cost and all that jazz. So guys, I only got a half, and I'm gonna show you how roomy this half of furniture has the curved back, as you can see right here. Let's go around the side of the couch by there. That is what it looks like, guys. It came with these beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pillows that have zippers on them. That's what it looks like. Here is the other pillow as well. So guys, this is the name of the company, if you guys can see. This is a very expensive brand. Guys, this is so, so deep of a piece of furniture. Here is my table on the side, along with the candle and the coasters that I wanted to do. So guys, this is my new sofa piece right here. I'm gonna put the other pillow that's right there. We also have paperwork to the sofa if we wanted to add the extra piece that goes along. There's a side here that another piece can go, but I'm gonna turn the camera around and let you see how it looks with me sitting on it and all that jazz. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab our extra pillow and bring it over here, and then I'll place her on there once I show you guys how deep she is. Look at this. Okay, so this is to show you how many people can sit on here. I'm gonna show you one of the boys sitting on here having a good time of his life when he finally seen it, when he came here. So you see that I'm all the way back. I have all this foot area down here as well, and you guys know, well, I'm fairly small, medium, whatever you want to call it, but two other people can sit here, and this is how deep that it is without me sitting on here. So I can show you guys me sitting over here in this corner, how deep, and it's just so comfortable, y'all. It's so beautiful. So this is the Boucle sofa. So the guy only had a half. I found her luckily on offer up, guys. I thought I was losing my mind. I thought I was looking at the wrong thing. Actually, it was not the wrong thing. I purchased this baby. If you guys want to know, leave me some questions in this video about everything. Just leave me some questions and then I'll answer them for you. But guys, this is so, so nice. And like I said, it has the zippered pillows right here. I can stuff them if I wanted to with some down pillows, but I don't think I'm going to do that. I'm just going to go ahead and, keep it as is. So let's close this back up. Y'all, this is so, so nice. So nice. So I don't want to make this video long. I just wanted to show you guys how she looks. She's so beautiful. And these pillows are so big. So big. So that's that. I'm going to go ahead and keep my actual packaging here so I can put it in the bag. And this is our other pillow. So that is how it looks, y'all. So that is my sofa, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed everything. She's so beautiful. She's so beautiful. And it fit right in the space that I wanted, you guys. And this is something that I actually wanted for myself for a very long time. And like I said, I'm going to throw in the clips. I probably already did, to show you, the other piece that can come with it if I decide to get it. And I kept in contact with the gentleman. And if he ever gets the piece and I decide I want it, he's going to message me and I will go and get it. But guys, this is so, so beautiful. So this is my curved sofa piece for this area right here. So I'm going to go ahead and throw in a clip of how these two areas look together. And the reason why I did this, I actually took the dining room table, you guys, too, set it in the center underneath the globe lamp so you can see what it is. And that was the look I was going for. So yeah, without further ado, I'm going to turn the camera around. Let me know what you think. Leave me your comments and everything in this video. And guys, I will see you back in another video. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope you guys enjoyed. And I hope it was worth the wait. So I'll see you the next time. Bye. Always remember to love yourself, so that you may love others, so this world will be a much better place. Bye, y'all.
Search it high and low. Never can tell. You never really know. Running out of breath. Need you to pull me up. Hell is raining down. I need you to come around. I call it love. You think I'm crazy. You're trying to work the angles on me. You're playing with my heart, if I'm not mistaken. You're trying to work the angles on me. It cuts so deep. Try to take it slow, staying in control. You got me so high, and then you're laying me low. Looking for some truth.